Hi, my name is Willie. I'm here in good old USA, Georgia, and I'm sharing my experience with LeafFilter and how I got involved with such a dynamic product. I'm new to Georgia, and of course, just like any new homeowner, there were flyers left at my home for LeafFilter. And I responded, and to my liking, my service representative, Brandon, he came out, he sat down with me, he showed me how amazing the product was and how it would benefit me, not only with the leaves in my area and on the roof and the trees that I have, but how it would improve the value of my home and property. So once he convinced me with that, I decided to move forward. Now, I can talk to you all day about how the LeafFilter works and so forth, but that's their job. Let me tell you what impressed me most. Brandon came out, he sat down with me. We came to an agreement on what it would cost me for my home. He wrote it up. He sat right in front of me, made a phone call, and amazing or not, the installers were at my home the very next day. They did a professional installation. They were very courteous. They knew exactly what they were doing, what I needed for my home, and the process was 100% to my satisfaction. The job was amazing, and since then, the winter has started. So there's been a lot of rain here in USA, Georgia, and my gutters are working outstanding. It's fabulous. So I highly recommend it for a number of reasons. But number one is the professional service and the courtesy of the sales representative.